Hi, this is my submission for Appifylab Full Stack Engineering selection task. I have built a full stack social feed app using Next.js on the front end and Node.js with Express and MongoDB on the backend. The front end is hosted in Vercel and the backend is hosted on Render, and the database is hosted on MongoDB Cloud. And also I hosted the Redis database in Upstash. Let me walk you through every implemented feature. Registration requires first name, last name, email, and password exactly as specific in the task. Passwords are hashed server-side using bcrypt.js before storage. No plain text credential ever touch the database. Notice how the form handles empty fields and duplicate emails gracefully. So if we enter empty name, this will show us some message to fill out this field. And if we use the same email, this will show a generic message that registration failed. Please check your detail and try again. There is no specific hints to hacker for if this email exists or not. This is both handled from front end and back end. Now, login issues a JWT access token and stores a phrase token in an HTTP only cookie, which has protection against X cross-site forgery attack. And the incorrect credential returns a cleaner error. For example, this is showing invalid email or password. No specific error that the email or the password is not available. This is generic message, so hacker cannot. Now, trying to access the feed without being logged in redirects immediately to login. This is enforced by Next.js middleware at the edge before the page even renders. Supports up to 5,000 characters and a single image upload. Images are uploaded directly to Cloudinary and served via CDN. So there is no binary data in database. Public posts are immediately visible to all authenticated users in the basis of newest first. Now let us create a private post which will not appear in other feed. So setting this parameter as private in the post. So this is showing as private post. Let us check this from another account. So this is another account named Mehdi Hassan, and my previous account was Hassanul Haq. So in this case, the latest post is showing that the post from 2 minutes ago, but I have a latest post from a minute ago, which is not visible in this other feed. Now comments. So comments are supported up to 2,000 characters. Let us do a comment. This is very good organization. So the latest comment appears in the first. So each label, post, comment, and replay has its own independent like system, and all backed by the same like model with sparse unique indexes. And clicking on the like count, this shows exactly who liked the content as required by the task specifically. So we have a posting system with image, some text, and we can like, comment, or reply to a comment, and we also like each of these things like post, comment, and replay. Like state is persisted in the database with a unique index. Liking the same post twice is blocked at the database level, not just UI. The heart icon and the counter update instantly via optimistic UI, following the fire and forgot rule with React query managing server sync. If we try to submit the post with no text or image, that means an empty post, we cannot post this. This is both handled from front end and back end. And the empty field checking is also done for comment them, and we also protect the system using some HTTP middlewares in backend along with rate limiting, and unauthenticated API call is handled by a middleware. The layout is fully responsive using Bootstrap 5 with CSS overrides. This is in mobile mode, and dark mode is toggled and persistent across session. This is dark mode. So the project covers all the specific features from the task, like authentication, protected routes, public and private post, like comments, replace, who like models, and edge case handling. The implementation also follows production grade based practices like bcrypt password hashing, JWT with HTTP only refresh tokens, Redis rate limiting, cursor based pagination for scale, and optimistic UI for frontend. Thank you for reviewing.